Hey everyone, today we are at this place here in Oxnard, California. It's this big old barn-like structure, and it's been here since 1970. And we used to come here when I was a small child, and because I was fascinated by fans, I was fascinated by what was inside this place. Mainly that they had a bunch of Hunter box fans hung over the doors to keep flies away, but there was also a shutter fan that was there. And today we are going to see if that thing is still there. So today we'll see what is behind this shutter and see if it's still what I remember. So what you're seeing here is live footage that I shot when I was outside this building recently. As you can see, that old shutter is still there, like I said before in my pictures. But what we're going to do now is go inside and do the reveal of whether it is still there or not. Here we go inside. Catch the door here. And I was pretty shocked to see that it was still there. So, yeah. It's like things have remained unchanged around this thing for the entire time it's been here. The fan itself is pretty much unchanged, but everything has changed around it. You can see it's covered in filth and dust over its many years of existence, but it's exactly as I remember it, with the parallel bar motor mounts and that little yellow sticker on the back end bell of the motor. I also remember that conduit that goes up to it with the wiring. Here's another little bit of video that I captured here while I was inside the place. It really is astonishing that this thing is just sat here and time has gone on all around it. At least that's how it seems to me. I didn't expect to see this thing still here. I honestly expected it to have been replaced with some new piece of garbage from Dayton or somebody, because those things are loud and horrid. Now these orange arms that you see here, those used to have the Hunter box fans that hung over the place. Over the doors, rather. And it's kind of funny that some of those things are still there. Not all of them are, but some of them still exist. It would have had box fans much like this one here, which was in LA. Who knows if it's still there either. So with that, I'm going to conclude this video. I'd like to thank you for watching, and hopefully you enjoyed seeing this little trip down memory lane with me. Please be sure to hit that like button if you did, and while you're at it, please hit that subscribe button as well, because we will have more to come. And so with that, we will see you later.